Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be covering and discussing about an interesting topic, that is employee onboarding. Employee onboarding is more than just a formal process. It's the foundation of a new hire's journey within your organization. It sets the tone for how engaged, productive, and satisfied your employees will be, and it plays a crucial role in retaining the top talent. In this course, we will take a deep dive into creating a smooth and engaging onboarding experience that not only helps employees feel welcomed and valued, but also aligns them with your company's visions and goals. Whether you are managing small team or leading a large organization, mastering the art of onboarding will transform how you bring people into your company and set up for long-term success. Employee onboarding. In this video, we will cover various aspects of employee onboarding, including benefits, designing an effective process, best practices, tools, strategies for engaging and retaining new employees. Wasting no time, let us understand what all topics will be covered in this course of employee onboarding. Introduction to employee onboarding. Here, we will start by understanding what employee onboarding is and why it is essential for new hires. Benefits and impact of employee onboarding. Here we will discuss the positive impact of onboarding has an employee retention, engagement, and performance. Designing an effective onboarding process. Here we will learn how to create a structured onboarding plans that sets new employees up for success. Pre-onboarding preparation. Here we will cover the steps you should take before a new hire's first day to ensure a smooth transition. Best practices for employee onboarding. Here, we will explore key strategies that make onboarding efficient and impactful for both employees and employers. Tools and checklists for successful onboarding. Here, we will highlight the tools and resources to streamline the onboarding process. Tailoring onboarding programs for different groups. Here, we will learn how to customize onboarding to fit the needs of various employee groups. Engaging and retaining new employees. Here we will discuss the methods to keep new employees engaged and motivated throughout their onboarding journey. Then comes post-onboarding follow-up and performance management. Here we will discuss how to evaluate and support employees after the onboarding phase. Then finally comes feedback and continuous improvement. Here we will learn how to use feedback to enhance the onboarding process and drive continuous improvement. Let's start with employee onboarding introduction. In this video, we will dive into the concept of employee onboarding introduction, and here we will see how this onboarding signifies in the workplace, and here we will also explore the objectives and purposes as well as why it plays a crucial role in enhancing the employee's experience and productivity. So please stay tuned as we break down the key concepts and aspects which are as follows. What is employee onboarding? Here we will discuss a complete detail about employee onboarding. Then we will see the objectives and purpose of employee onboarding. Then finally we will discuss in detail about the importance of employee onboarding. So wasting no time, let's get into the main topic, that is what is employee onboarding. What is employee onboarding? Employee onboarding is like rolling out the red carpet for new hires. It's a process of welcoming and integrating them into the organization, helping them feel prepared, supported, and confident in their new role. Onboarding goes beyond just paperwork and introductions. It's about making employees feel part of the team and setting them up for long-term success. Think of onboarding as the bridge that connects the new hire to your organization. It's where they get the tools, resources, and knowledge they need to hit the ground running while also adapting the company's culture, values, and way of working. A great onboarding process includes several essential components to ensure a smooth transition for the new hire. Now let's break down the key components or elements of employee onboarding. A great onboarding process includes several essential components to ensure a smooth transition for new hires. The first step in onboarding is to introduce the new employee to the company's policies, procedures, and values. This involves explaining critical aspects like attendance, leave policies, workplace conduct, and day-to-day procedures such as reporting and communication. Additionally, onboarding provides an excellent opportunity to instill the company's values, missions, and vision, helping the new hire align with the bigger picture, understanding their role in contributing to organizational success. Practical preparation is equally important, and this includes setting up workstations and tools for the new hire. Ensure the workplace is ready with necessary technology such as laptops, software, or any specialized tools that demonstrate professionalism and makes them feel valued. A smooth setup creates a positive first impression and reduces potential frustrations. Connecting the new hire with their team is another critical element of onboarding. Introducing them to their colleagues, key stakeholders, and leadership helps build the relationship and fosters a sense of belonging. Assigning a mentor or buddy can provide additional support by guiding the new hire through the company culture, answering questions, and ensuring they adapt comfortably to their new environment. Lastly, onboarding should include aligning with the new hire's goals with the organization's objectives. It is essential to clarify expectations and illustrate how their role contributes to the company's success. When employees understand their purpose and have their personal goals aligned with the team and organization goals, they are more motivated and focused from the day one. Types of onboarding. Onboarding processes can vary depending upon the organizational approach and complexity of their new hire's role. Broadly, onboarding can be categorized into formal and informal types. Formal onboarding. Formal onboarding is a structured and well-organized program with clearly defined steps, timelines, and activities. It typically includes pre-scheduled training sessions, a detailed onboarding schedule, and regular check-ins and evaluations during the onboarding period. This type of onboarding is best suited for larger organizations or roles with complex responsibilities, where structure is crucial to ensure the new hire is fully prepared. In contrast, informal onboarding is more casual and an unstructured introduction to the workplace. Instead of following a set plan, it relies on the spot guidance and learning. There is no predefined schedule. Instead, onboarding activities happen organically as the employee navigates their new role. This approach works for smaller teams or organizations with straightforward roles, where employees can learn effectively through directly interaction and observation. By choosing the right type of onboarding and incorporating these key elements, organization can create a positive and impactful onboarding experience for every new hire. Objectives and purpose of employee onboarding. The onboarding process is the bridge that connects recruitment with productivity. Its primary purpose is to ensure that new hires transition smoothly into their roles, feel welcomed, and become equipped to contribute effectively to the organization. Beyond administrative tasks, onboarding shapes the employee's early experiences and sets the tone for their journey within the organization. Now let's explore the key objectives of onboarding along with practical examples to bring each point to the life. Assimilation. One of the core objectives of onboarding is to help new employees adapt the company's culture and environment. This involves familiarizing them with the organization's mission, vision, and values, which provide a sense of purpose and direction. For example, imagine starting a new job where you attend an interactive session on your first day, where the leadership teams explain the company's mission and how it impacts its goals. You also get to explore the company's values through videos or team discussions. This not only helps you to understand the organization's purpose, but also aligns with its culture from the day one. Role clarity. Role clarity ensures that employees know exactly what is expected of them in their new positions. It eliminates confusion about responsibilities and gives employees confidence in their ability to contribute effectively. For example, suppose a new hire is provided with a detailed job description outlining their daily tasks and responsibilities. During their onboarding sessions, their manager explains specific performance metrics and goals such as deadlines for projects and equal or quality standards. This clarity helps the new hire understand their priorities and how success will be measured in their role. Then comes building relationships. Onboarding is also about fostering connections with colleagues, managers, and teams. Building relationships early creates a sense of camaraderie and support, which helps employees integrate into the workplace more easily. For example, picture a new employee joining their team for an informal coffee chat, where everyone shares their roles and personal interests. Or imagine a buddies team where the new hire is paired with a mentor who guides them through the company's processes and introduces them to key stakeholders. These activities make employees feel welcomed and connected, reducing feeling of isolation. Then comes boosting engagement. Engagement starts on day one and is critical for keeping employees motivated and invested in their roles. Creating a sense of belonging and providing engaging experience can leave a lasting positive impression. For example, a company might provide a new hires with a personalized welcome kit containing branded merchandise, a handwritten note, and access to gamified learning modules. During the onboarding phase, new hires might also participate in a town hall meeting where they can interact with leadership and learn about company's achievements and plans. These gestures create excitement and makes employees feel like valued members of the organization. Then finally comes reducing turnover. A thoughtful onboarding process helps new hires feel valued and supported, reducing the risk of early resignations. When employees feel like they are a part of supportive and professional environment, they are more likely to stay. For example, during the onboarding phase, managers might schedule frequent one-to-one check-ins with new hires to address any concerns or challenges they face. Additionally, employees might be engaged to provide feedback through surveys or open discussions, ensuring their voices are heard. By fostering open communication and addressing need promptly, the organization builds trust and loyalty among new hires. The main objectives of employee onboarding are essential for creating a successful and meaningful experience for new hires. By fostering on assimilation, role clarity, building relationships, boosting engagement, and reducing turnover, organizations can transform the onboarding process into a powerful tool for long-term success. These efforts ensure that the employees not only feel welcomed but also motivated, aligned, and ready to contribute effectively to the organization's goals. Importance of employee onboarding. Employee onboarding is much more than just introducing new hires to their roles. It is a critical process that lays the groundwork for long-term success within an organization. Proper onboarding helps new employees transition smoothly into their jobs, fostering engagement and productivity, ultimately retention. Let's dive into the key benefits of onboarding, along with practical examples to understand why this process is essential for both employees and organizations. Improved retention rates. Onboarding is one of the most powerful tools to boost employees' retention. Research consistently shows that companies with structured onboarding programs experience significantly higher retention rates compared to those with informal or no onboarding processes. In fact, organizations with a structured onboarding programs have 50% higher employee retention rates. For instance, an employee who has a clear understanding of the role, access to the necessary training materials, and a mentor to guide them through their early days at the company is much more likely to stay with the organization, feeling that their growth and success are supported. Enhanced productivity. Onboarding is not just about getting employees familiar with the company. It is also about getting them up to the speed quickly and effectively so they can contribute to the organization's goals. Employees who undergo effective onboarding are 70% more productive within their first 6 months. For example, a comprehensive onboarding program might include detailed training, job shadowing with experienced colleagues, and step-by-step guidance for using company tools and systems. These strategies help new hires ramp up quickly and start contributing to the projects faster rather than spending weeks or months figuring things out on their own. Positive employees experience. The experience a new hire has during the onboarding process can have a lasting impact on their morale and overall satisfaction with the company. A well-designed onboarding program creates a positive first impression, boosting the employee's confidence and enthusiasm for their new role. For example, personalized welcome messages, team lunches, or recognition programs such as New Hire of the Month award can make employees feel special and appreciated. When new employee feels like they are valued and a part of the team from the day one, they are more likely to be engaged and committed to their work. Stronger employer brand. A seamless and engaging onboarding experience doesn't just benefit new hire, it also enhances the company's reputation as a desirable place to work. A positive onboarding experience strengthens the company's employer's brand, making more attractive to future candidates. For example, happy employees who have heard a great onboarding experience are likely to share their stories on professional networks like LinkedIn or Glassdoor. These positive reviews create a reputation that attracts top talent, as potential employees are more likely to apply to the companies with strong onboarding processes. Reduce costs. High turnover, especially due to poor onboarding, can be costly for organizations in terms of recruitment expenses, training cost, and lost productivity. In fact, organizations that experience frequent turnover due to ineffective onboarding are often faced with escalating expenses related to rehiring and retaining new employees. For example, by investing in structured and effective onboarding program, organizations can reduce turnover and save these expenses. A well-planned onboarding process helps new employees integrate into the company quickly, feel supported, and build loyalty, all of which reduce the likelihood of early resignations. The importance of employee onboarding cannot be overstated. It's not just about filling the position. It is about creating a lasting foundation for success. When done effectively, onboarding can lead to improved retention rates, enhanced productivity, a positive employee experience, and a stronger employer brand, and reduced costs. By investing in a comprehensive onboarding program, organizations can ensure their new hires are set up for long-term success, benefiting both employees and the company as a whole. So friends, hope you understood what is onboarding, what is the importance of onboarding, and what are the objectives of onboarding in detail in this video. In the upcoming video, we'll discuss the second part of onboarding course, that is benefits and impact of employee onboarding. So friends, hope you understood in detail about employee onboarding in this video. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share it among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.